Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today I have a pretty cool video for you. I'm going to be painting my first ever 3D printed sculpture. This is courtesy of my friend John, the teacher, and he has a 3D printer. And I guess this is from eastman.xyz, which is a website. So I've never actually done a 3D printed sculpture before, at least not painted them, and I'm really excited to have the opportunity to work on this. Yeah, this thing is super rad. Check out all the cool detail on this guy. So my plan for this is I'm going to actually use a black primer, and then I'm going to paint over top of it, and then we're going to do a little bit of weathering, and then we're going to seal it up, and we're going to give it back to John. So let me just quit yapping, and we'll just get right to the painting. And we're back. And there you have it. Boy, I am really impressed with the way this thing came out. I gotta tell you, I worked on a number of different plastic model kits over the years, and I've also worked on my fair share of resin kits. And I gotta tell you, I like the 3D printed plastic, the way that paint takes to it, much better. This might be my new favorite method of painting. Way that I was able to get really like sculpted cheekbones and ears and his nose and where his mouth fits, and with the use of paint and the top coat finish, which I used the workable fixative by Krylon, really made it look like leather. I'm just fascinated with these 3D printed pieces. I just think the technology is great. Now, I don't know a whole lot about 3D printing, but John, I'm ready for another one, so hit me up. And in case you want to know what paint sets that I use, this is the Sennelier Abstract Innovative Acrylics. You can buy these piecemeal or you can buy them in kits. I bought a primary color kit, I believe, for maybe 20 bucks. I'm not quite sure exactly how much it costs. I got it from my local art store. So John the teacher, I'm going to get this out to you when it's safe, but in the meantime, I also want another one, so be thinking about what the next project's going to be. So hope you guys are happy and you're well and you're finding projects to occupy yourself. I understand this is not one that people can readily get their hands on now, but in future, if this is something you'd like to try, eastman.xyz is the artist, and I believe these are actually free downloads on his website. You'll have to go there and check out for all the details, but if you do have a 3D printer, this might be something that interests you in future. I don't know the details of the 3D printing. I just want to paint them. I want to paint all of them. I think it's awesome. So again, if this is your first time here, consider subscribing. If you like what you see, please hit that like button, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Thanks. Peace.